Yes, I want to call the governor of Lagos State, make him release our brother. And I want to use this opportunity to call all the ministers of God in Igbo land, Reverend Farambaka, Prophet Ebuka Obi, Brother Engineer Chinwikem, Pastor Jelly Eze, Pastor Paul Nwachukwu, Reverend Dr. Umokbai. We have so many great men of God in Igbo land. There are many, but I will not call all of them. Please, make una help us. Tell the governor of Lagos State to release our brother, Onyoji, since on election, presidential election. That let this man in Lagos during the election time, because some Yorubas are burning Igbo shops, persecuting them because they want to vote for Peter Obi. The evidence is there. And this man stood up in Lagos, said that he was going to invite the IPOP people for them to go to Lagos to protect the business of Igbos. And since then, they arrested this man by making such statements. Since then till today, they never released this man. They still hold man. Though the man, Daladoku, by saying for him to invite IPOP for them to secure Igbo business, there is something like a marriage anger. Though the man made a mistake, he's saying he will invite IPOP to Lagos, but I understand that this man used anger to say such thing. But since then till today, they never forgive this man. They still hold this man. But they were less flying herdsmen that are tormenting Yoruba land. Under 1 month, they go release them. But now because of this man is an Igbo man, they still hold this man till today. What kind of wickedness is this? What kind of wickedness is this? All the Igbos, please, let's speak for our brother, because this our brother stood up for all the Igbos in Lagos. But the same Nigeria, we are less Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen. Before 1 month, they go release them, called the independent Boko Haram. But this innocent man, they arrest him. Since then to today, they never release this man. So I'm calling all the ministers of God in Igbo land, because I'm supposed to call all our Eastern governors, but our Eastern governors has failed us. Please, Reverend Farambaka, Prophet Ebuka Obi, Reverend Father Ebemonso, Reverend Dr. Umokbai, Pastor Paul Nwachukwu, there are plenty great men of God in Igbo land. I know that 1 minute call to call the governor of Lagos State, he will release this our brother. Please, you people should do something. And all the Igbos in Lagos, why do you people keep silent? This man stood up for you people. He stood up for you people. He stood up because of the Ihion in Lagos. Right now, so many people have forget this man. Please, I want all the Igbos to rise up. Let the governor of Lagos State release our brother. Let me stop this message here. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagoba. Shalom.